Dumpster rental service in Palacios, Texas. When you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Palacios, Texas, B&E Site Services is here to help. We provide high-quality dumpster rentals for homeowners, businesses, and construction sites. Whether you're cleaning up after a home renovation, clearing out an estate, or managing a job site, we have the perfect dumpster for your project. Our process is simple, with quick delivery and hassle-free pickup. We understand that waste disposal should be easy, so we handle everything for you. Our dumpsters come in various sizes, making them suitable for all cleanups. We take pride in offering top-tier service with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Keeping Palacios clean is our mission, and we're proud to serve the local community. Our team can always help you choose the best dumpster for your needs. Renting a dumpster allows you to keep your space organized and debris-free. We offer flexible rental periods so you can take your time with your project. Our dumpsters can handle everything from household junk to heavy construction materials. With our reliable service, waste removal becomes a stress-free process. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or business owner, we have the correct dumpster. Experience top-quality dumpster rental service in Palacios, Texas with B&E Site Services. Call us today at 979-616-6858 to get started.